welcome back. Sorry the delay. I'm here. It's connected right now. Being late to a late stream is a crime. It's crazy because I thought the meeting was gonna be shorter, guys. But I'm here. Let's see what the market is telling us today. And we wait a second. It is connects and everything. Oh, my computer is a bit slow. But why my computer slow now? Hey, Niraj, Nick, Payout. Good morning, guys. Yeah, my computer is a bit slow right now. I don't understand. Why? It's crazy. A computer that has like 32 GB of RAM, everything there. Oh, we're going lower in NQ. And yeah, I'm gonna wait. There is not much for me. I see the opening print level here, guys, and so I noticed it before. It's holding there here at 9:30. Look at that. Oh wow, my computer is slow. Look at this, not able to handle this. Is it performance on the low side? No, it should be performing to the best. Usually when I don't see the fan, it's because there is somewhere that it's telling him to cool down. This has been an incredible tough market so far, man. Nothing to say. 100% agree with that shit. 100%. Right now, my computer, it's just slow. You see how Quantower is not able to, is not the Quantower right now, is literally my computer that needs a reset, a restart. I might do it, so I have, and it's gonna take me 2 minutes to come back, but it's probably the best way. So right now, the computer is just working hard, nothing. And I see performance is good. Yeah, let me do that, guys, because there is no need to rush. I have 1 hour with you and 1 hour to stream and everything, but right now it's not the best way. I'm gonna pause the stream for just literally 2 minutes. Coming back. I'm gonna say start. And I'm back. Back, guys. Welcome back again. I had to just restart it to be safe that everything's working correctly. Alisa, man, my computer just stopped performing for a little bit. I'm like, what the heck? So right now it's working fast. No, this is not the right chart. This is the chart. Yeah, like that, it stopped performing, and I'm like, what the heck? But now it's good. Now it's good. Reloading. And I'm gonna wait 1 second that as well my Quantower, and now my computer is working because I can hear the freaking things. Opening print level there, bouncy, really ranging right now. Let's see the daily chart. How is it going? Very nice bounce there on the daily chart. What is the 6 months calendar here? 3 months is enough. Big support here that's become like a resistance. This is a 25,000. Let's go to the hour chart. Dark race as punishment. Minus 350 up there. That's my brother. Runs in the family to be a bad traders. I can see that. Look at this in the 1 hour chart. We have a resistance in daily chart, but we are working on break and retest here of this area in the hourly chart. But it's a big resistance, 25,000. So it's like a daily chart against 1 hour chart, but beautiful. Kind of break and retest, not really. It does not look that clean, but it looks like that. Can you comment on Apex Healthy Metals? My brother, I think I really read the comments about that yesterday or 2 days ago. It makes sense. Think about that many brokers, real brokers, live accounts and stuff, CFDs, everything, they've reduced it. They reduce it, they increase the margin and everything. And when you're in a simulated account, you don't have anything of like that. And you don't have any problem to get filled in a simulated account. You get filled. So you're playing in a very, you're trading in the market that is not totally outside the realistic way. If before in a normal market condition, the simulated gets closer to live, this one, it's really far away from live. So that's what I think it's the point. So prop firms, they need to protect themselves from it. And let's remember that prop firms in general, of course, they like you to succeed and everything. It's normal. Like put you to live because they make more money as well if they put you to live. But if as well everyone is shorting gold with such a easy way and you get filled 10 minutes without any problems, then it becomes a little bit of an unrealistic condition, and you get like 10% move in gold or in silver, you're good for a long time. This week is okay. 3 days positive, 3 days positive, 2 days negative. It's not shit, but the last week after 4 days positive, I lost my account. Man, my brother has some periods where he trades so well and then all gone. Guys, I paid for to get view up in freaking Quant Tower. I paid for that. I paid for that. In Quant Tower, it sucks. Now I did a mistake on the password. Freaking hell. Why? What is the mistake in this password? Piece of shit. Invalid credential. What is the freaking password for this? I need to log in to get to use the VWAP. But now I don't remember. Good morning, Mohammed. Now we're pushing, guys. Highs of the day, almost there. I'm trying to get my the password. Where is the password? Quant Tower. Okay. What is the password of this? Wow, it was an automated one. Okay, that's why I could not get it. That makes sense. That makes sense, guys. My password was totally an automated one, so impossible to remember. That's it. I'm getting in. I'm gonna get view up very soon, guys, and I'm gonna get oh, close. Now you can actually close. Perfect. So how do I hack access view up here? I need to check what tutorial. How to add VWAP in Quant Tower. I'm learning with you guys. Learning with you right now how to access VWAP in Quant Tower. How to do that? Volume weighted average. How to VWAP in the bottom bench. How the heck? Here use indicators, volume analysis, show toolbar. That's good. VWAP. What the heck? Hours? Weekly? 4 hours? Ah, on the time frame. Wow. What is the general VWAP? Okay, that's not 1 minute for sure. I'm gonna do the 1 day. That's very far. What is the general VWAP to use? I'm not even sure. I'm learning right now. I'm just looking at learning this VWAP. Right now we're breaking the highs. We'll see. Let's see if we're gonna use this as a support. But we have at 500, guys. We're rejecting 500 there, so let's be careful. Choose the degenerate VWAP. What do you mean the degenerate VWAP? So I'm so ignorant on these guys. I have to learn. I just activated it this morning, so I really don't know anything about this shit. Data type currently, yes. Current TF or tick does not change. Price type, open, high, period, hours, cumulative. Man, I really don't know, to be honest. I have to compare it with the one in trading. Look at my VWAP with breaks. Look at the VWAP with breaks here. Grabbing these highs, rejecting the 25,000. Let's see if this is gonna be a fake out or it's coming lower. I'm not gonna short right away. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to see if I get a better entry signal. And as well is 80% is back with Apex. 80% is back with Apex. But, Are we gonna reject this, Mohammed? Can you guys tell me the average duration you keep a funded account and the average duration it takes you to pass an evaluation? I pass them the generic way, choose the generic, and then to keep them, I keep them. In the last year, 25, I was keeping them for hundreds of days. Now, let's see. This is a new account, trading slowly, but that's the goal for the moment. Step by step. Step by step. Two seconds. That is the way, yeah? That is the way. 2 seconds. Guys, I need to understand this VWAP. For each price, change. So with VWAP, with advanced indicator setting. It has so much potential, this VWAP in Quant Tower, because there is so many settings you can do. So this is because there is the opening of the hour. This gap, because I choose hour VWAP, this is the gap of the new opening. The opening is here, so the VWAP gets calculated on that hour. Now it makes sense. So if I have to choose a VWAP of the day, then it's better if I choose the daily one as a daily candle VWAP. Then, but again, it goes much lower. So this is the VWAP of the day, because that is from the opening at here at 6 p.m. It worked out very well, and yeah, right now it's that's why it's very far. Now it's very interesting. And there are many ways you can decide to go for these valuations. You can go double sides or triple sides of your normal trades if you believe in your strategy, or go YOLO like Mufti, or choose a direction. For example, let's say I really like the short direction because we're selling off. Maybe I enter one mini and let it ride wherever it goes. Hopefully we go slowly down. That's what I was doing before. Now one mini here will get you destroyed, because one mini, it will give you this is already your drawdown if there is no gain from your trading drawdown. That's crazy. That's crazy. Before one mini, it will give you like something like that as a drawdown. Right now it's insanity. So right now I have the view up there 4 hours. Maybe I can put the 4 hours one as well. So that is the 4 hours view up. Very interesting. Very interesting. I'm trying to learn. I'm just looking, guys. And I'm gonna remove these indicators just to have very, very interesting. I'm gonna learn and play with it in the next days and see how it reacts. I paid for 1 month. Right now that we are there at 25,000. Breaker retest, it's kind of working, but we have the 25,000 just there. So I don't like to take a long against a big daily level resistance there. So for me, if we see this faking out this push, coming back lower and start to close below, I might take a short. Why did you get VWAP? Because I like to throw away money. I'm just put it there to learn using it. VWAP is a good indicator that merges average and volume as well, price and volume. So I'm gonna learn. I'm downloading it, so I'm gonna study and learn it and see if I can use it or not. For the moment, it's there as for you as a visual things. It's just fun to see it. This is the 4 hours one. This is the 1 daily one. How will you plan to use it? I don't know. I don't freaking know, to be honest. That's one I will tell you. I just paid it. I really paid today, to be honest. I really don't know. It's $35. And you have the package of volume analysis of Quant Hour. So to be honest, I will go there and study what this package gives me, and see. No, it's not only VWAP, it's other things as well. So maybe, all these things on the bottom. You cannot see them. Wait, cannot see them. All these things on the bottom are coming from the volume. Cluster, custom profile, step profile, left profile. I don't freaking know what anything of this. Time steady, blah, 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 blah. All of that are coming from the volume profile that you get, volume analysis, sorry. And yeah, it would be nice to understand, go them. Yeah, you don't get only the look at this custom view up here on the bottom. What is good? Old control key to add. What is good? Old control key to add more drawings. What do you mean this? I want the view up from the opening. So this is the view up from the opening, and is matching right now the 4 hours one. Oh, that's very nice. So if I do view up from here is going to be a little bit different. Yeah, because it starts from the bottom. It's from behind. This is from the, wow, okay. And right now, how the fuck I delete this one? Ah, okay, I can do it easily. Now, if I want to delete this one, nice. Yeah, you want, yeah, the one from US is very interesting. Let me, if I can change the color, make it blue. That's, and yeah, maybe it's not the real correct one. Let me do it again. Oh, let's see if it's is a short is coming there, because I like the 25,000, the fake out, the possible push here. Let's see, but I really want to start market closing below. Let's see what we're gonna do. For the moment, we wait. I'm just playing with this. So if I had to put it at 30 here, that's correct. It was correct. It was correct. So the view up here worked very nice. A bomb rejected, came lower, rejected. It's one of the, this is the 4 hours. Let me remove the 4 hours one. So it makes sense to have the opening one and the daily one. It does make sense. Where is it? Can you? Ah, no, this is the, I have to disactivate it. So right now I have opening and daily from the daily opening. Nice, nice. Let's just playing around and see if we can make something out of it. 25,000 got rejected there. Will this be a fake out? In my old way, probably I would have already shorted here, getting stopped out. Now we just wait to see if I see price action moving around. Did I put the live stream in Discord? Not sure, guys. Not sure. Next week I'm in holiday, guys. Next week I'm in holiday. So we will see at what time I connect, because it depends if I do activities during the day. If not, yeah, I will let you know, guys, if I'm live streaming or not. Right now I'm waiting to see if this is gonna. By the way, also super interesting, WealthCharts will be available for other prop firms as well. So people that use WealthCharts, probably we're gonna see more people coming here to be like asking WealthChart question, and they are from another prop firms, using other prop firms. Hello, friends. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at that. Break and retest working there for the moment. 25,000. Not a rejection for the moment. Buy is too strong. I think for a short right now, a rejection will really rally so much on short coming. Yeah. A rejection will rely so much on shorts coming in. Yeah, now I'm waiting. Hello, Yampi. Good morning. I'm waiting to see what he wants to do from around this area. So strange, by the way. If usually I would connect at 10.5. I don't think I would have done anything from 10.5. Honestly, just come back, pushed again. Hello, Niraj again. I think you came before Niraj. Yes, first one there. Oh, welcome back. How are you guys? I hope you're doing well. We're just waiting to see what Marx is doing. Right now is working very nicely on the buying side. Breaker test holding there very well. How is the market today? Because yesterday we saw, oh yeah, wait. Yesterday we saw the market with the silver. I want to see how much is silver today. I really liked the long 942, but it was too volatile for me. Any giveaways today, sir? My bank account won't be that happy. Let's see for next week. Let's see for next week. Now we are really pushing there. 932, yeah, 932, man, hard. I see. This very hard, man. At that time, early. Man, if I was getting payout like a year ago, I would do more giveaways, but then it's just more complicated. Let me see. Silver down 1.5%, gold up 1.5%. A lot of green today. 10% up Bitcoin. 17% bread. What the fuck? This crypto dumped 20%, pumped from the bottom 17%. Who had the ball to buy yesterday is already up a lot, and you can you can maybe already take profit if you are someone that trades it. Yeah, after probably hopefully good payouts, man, if they come. Crazy. Market is crazy. Best of luck. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Niraj. Right now, let's see this 25,000. How if it holds, if it comes back again, it makes a breaker test here. Maybe I enter here at a long and give it this stop loss. Right now, it's holding nicely there. Yes, it's a weird. Honestly, it's weird it's a weird market. It's a weird market, guys. It's a weird market. Bitcoin at 60, almost 70,000 back. Crazy. It's absolutely insane. I want to see if my VWAP is good. Let's see if my VWAP is good. Yes, my daily VWAP is good. It's here. But what price? 757, and in a little bit higher in trading view, 760, and I have 757. So slightly higher in trading view. Interesting. Maybe just because of some settings there. Like as always. Inputs, I put session, page low, standard. Yeah, same one. H low C free. That I don't freaking know what is it. Last strategy for payout will be take a duck race with 2 ducks, long short, which one? I think I will have more payouts if I do that. I believe I will get more payouts. Maybe we can try to pass an evaluation that way. Guys, I'm not joking. I did a challenge once and I asked ChatGPT to trade for me until I passed the challenge, and it did pass the challenge. I'm not joking. Nothing cheated, nothing. I was like gone long, gone short, 1-to-1 risk reward, and I was making, I believe, I think somewhere like risking $500 to make 100, 500. It's something like that, and I made it. It worked. Maybe now with the ChatGPT being better as an algorithm, maybe it's good time to try again. 25,000 again there, guys. Mosquitoes are freaking pain here. Is it gonna hold 25,000 level, breaker test of these levels as well, or this is gonna be a big fake out? Right now, pushing slightly down. Going long right now with one contract is just a very little risk there. Let's see if it wants to hold this 25,000. It's trying. Maybe we can try to take a long for a little push more. It's not too many contracts there. $25,000 holding there. Holding there. Or at least it's trying to hold. My mosquitoes are killing me. Market coming back. Let's see. ES is already taking the previous little low that it created on the retest. Let's see if it's going to bounce from ES after grabbing the lows, the little low. Maybe if ES does it and now NQ turns. Nice breaker retest here. Left profile. What is freaking left profile? Let's see. Left profile. Yeah, of course, left profile. 15 minutes. No, make it today. It's loading. Wow. And what is the difference with right profile? It's the same thing. It's the same things. You just maybe can change it. Okay, maybe I can do 1 hour. Let's see. It's loading. No, I have to load it. Okay. That's nice to see on the last hour here. A lot of volume there. I really don't know anything, guys. So don't take whatever I say as a pinch of salt, because it's honestly first time I'm seeing these things and I'm just playing with it because I paid $35. So why not get use of the $35? I'm thinking about getting along here. If we will see some holding there, especially about the 25,000, would be nice. Maybe we'll try to get there a buy. Let's see. Still fighting. I'm gonna go there long, guys. I'm gonna give it this low here. And we're gonna just take the highs. Breaker retest of this 25,000 area and of this highs prior. Good luck, brother. Thank you, Mufti. Mufti here. Mufti here. Look at this amount of volume here on this 990. Now rejecting these when he's here. Everything I'm saying right now, just again, take it with a pinch of salt. I just looking for the first time at these things. I mean, I saw them before, but I never used them. So everything I say, take it with a pinch of salt. Show me this power. Show me. What is step profile? Let's see something else more. Step profile is loading. Step profile. What the freaking is step profile? Step profile. I have to learn this. It's Buy sell volume. Oh, wait. Look at this one. Buy sell volume is loading. Nice. No shit. Okay. Delta loading. Looks like more buying there if there is a lot of green, right? Stop profile. Let's see, it's loading. Yeah, I'm just putting them there, just curiosity, you know. I'm interested to understand what the heck is all this. Okay, this is the profile. Custom profile, okay. Cluster. It's cluster. Let's put them on. What? No wicks. What? No. Time statistic. Traders buy enable. Let's see. Ooh. Nope. Time histogram. No. Okay, pushing there. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even, guys. This wants to come back. Let it come back. Adding different indicators. Power trades. What is power trades? Your lesson does not allow power trade. Piece of crap. I paid $45 for it. $35. History, time, and sales. Bar select. So if I bar select, what do you mean? Bar select. Ah. So if I select this bar, that's it. Up, down. It's just more like each order. So we're gonna see a lot of, hopefully we see a lot of green. Green. Show some green here. Interesting, okay. Time and sales. Can we see a big amount of contracts? 10 contracts, I saw there. 10 contracts passed. Oh, this one, 11 there, pushing. And now it's gone because it's the candle. It's weird if I have to select each time the last candle. Come on, lot of put some sellers pushing down, but we have the buyers. Okay, too much. How you get the? I mean, people trade that, but we're getting the push there. Push market, push. Nice, guys, we're out. $200 there. Beautiful trade, to be honest. Breaker retest and ES. What I liked about ES that give me this confirmation was the fact that it was so small. Look at that, ES. One of the indicators fucked it up. What I liked about ES is this. That it came, breaker retest of these highs, but it grabbed these lows before pushing higher. So it grabbed this area and then it started to close above, and that's why I entered long in NQ. So that's why I entered long in NQ as well. Wow. I guess these profiles give a problem for the chart, and it smash it down. Beautiful trade. So right now, why this data changed? Left profile. Show POC. I don't know what is that. Did I? Okay. Enabled. Let's see if it's gonna reload in a different way. I was like expecting to see it. Why right now this one is not as before or full? Maybe because of the reload of the chart. View up is far. I mean, I like it. I like this. And for example, why this one is different right now? Why this one is not? It does not show me here anymore. Okay, like if I do this, then enable it. Is it gonna recalculate it? It sucks. No, why? Why it does not? It is not anymore as before. Before it was doing it from here. Thank you, Mufti. That was a beautiful trade. I'm happy with this trade. Breaker test. We start to hold the 25,000. AS took a liquidity and followed in NQ. That's the trade I like. These are the good trades. The VWAPs are very far away. New York session VWAP, daily session VWAP, totally far away. But we took a beautiful breaker test. Look at this breaker test, beautiful. Guys, I like to trade these times. Market moving much slower and you have much clear levels coming from the New York session. That are the best levels. New York session highs, this one. Did not come and grab any pre-market highs or anything. This is the New York session high. How come you changed? Eh? How come you changed? What do you mean? What do you mean, how come you changed? Any reasons? How come you changed the time? Mental, no, I mean, from last time we spoke, it made sense. Why, who gave you that idea? I think, I don't remember his name. Remember his name. I'm trying to remember. I don't know. I don't remember who told me that. I don't remember. No, yeah, no. Last week we were speaking, me and Nick, and he was like, "Yes, it's good. Maybe it's good to move at 10 and a half." But honestly, it's true. And honestly, I remember this was many years ago, guys, and I was watching this guy interview, and he was like, "I trade from something like that." It was like he said, "I'm trading from 11 or 10 and a half or 11 or whatever." It was like, I like to trade after because when I trade, the market is moving slower, and you have clear level from the New York session. I was like, at the time, yeah, I was like, no, I want volatility. I want to trade the first hour. And after now, you start to run away from volatility. And now you run away from all that shit. Beautiful long. Very happy with this long, guys. Very happy with this long. All much easier. Candles. Look at these candles here on the left side. Wow. What was the name of the indicators that has delta volume? I remember I was using it a long time ago, guys. Was it delta? Matt, Trade by Matt uses it a lot. Delta volume something. I remember for a period I was using it. Let me see if I can find it. Cumulative delta volume. Let's see if here there is right now. Cumulative delta volume. If I put indicators, add indicators, cumulative delta. But this is not cumulative delta. The information requires a paid. Okay, fine. I just need to remove this one. What? Yeah. This is cumulative delta. I do remember using it for a long time, guys. Showing you where is the selling. But this is, yeah, this is strange, to be honest. This is very close to the 1 minute chart. Yeah, to be honest, I don't but just curiosity. I was using it a long time ago. Honestly, what I'm gonna do is spend time to learn this profile to see, but mostly the view up and see how can I use it, especially with my breaker test, and see what you can do with it. This is a quick breaker test. I mean, of this area, and it matches also the view up. So this will give you a nice double confirmation here. Double confirmation of like, oh, you are doing a breaker test and as well holding the view up. That's nice. Man, I watched the short of Mufti, so sad because he had his stop loss here. He entered short here. He almost got stopped out. Went to almost his profit. His profit is somewhere here. Came back, stopped him out. Went to his take profit, reversed. Sometimes the market wants to play with your emotions this way, and then after something like this, your brain can go and blow up the accounts. This is difficult to handle. You have your stop loss here, goes to almost take profit. No, stop you almost, goes to take profit almost, come back, stop you out, goes to take profit. That's how your brain will get you to blow up the account, your emotions. So if you're not able to handle that one and call yourself out, it's crazy. All the emotions you had to live this moment. Stop out, sad. Happy, take profit. I was getting stopped out. I got stopped out, and anger because it went to take profit. You lived like 4 different emotions here: sadness, happiness, or like hope, sadness, whatever. Happiness, sadness for real because you got stopped out, and then anger or whatever emotion comes out from there. Yeah, now it's really slowed down. We took our beautiful trade here. This was one already, but to be honest, I was scared of 25,000 when we're gonna reject. And now I have to understand why, for example, this shit only shows from here. If it's like the last hour, you should show the last hour. Man, Quantower has so many options there. Average buy size, average size, sell volume percentage, buy volume. This is buy volume percentage. This is sell volume percentage. Delta percentage. Average size, always the same. So many things. So many things. Trades. This is trades. Before I had volume. Bit different. Okay. Slightly, almost the same. I don't understand why it does not populate here lower. What is delta percentage? Let's put it here on the left. Delta percentage. And I put buy is gonna put it green. And red is gonna be the sell. So I guess it's the delta between who wins between buying and selling, I guess. I don't know. I really don't know. I have to go and check all these FAQ of Quantower. Yeah, send it to me if you find it. Thank you. I just need to understand why right now it stops between these 2 freaking numbers and it does not go lower when I have put the last hour. It's crazy. I don't understand. Should come from here. No, this one has to be tested. Everything has to be tested, of course. Some increase there of volume. Look at this little breaker test there, worked out nicely, but now it's coming lower and closing lower. Little breaker test there. I'm gonna watch on this. I'm gonna watch videos about it, see what there is about all these. Especially the on the right here, how can I work on it? How can I set it up? I'm gonna watch videos about it. I just want to have some little bit of, like, the view up is a good thing to add. I think I'm gonna use it as a confirmation, like, breaker test, and it works out very well on a certain on levels of the test. Would be nice. I'm coming back. 1 second, guys. Someone is knocking at the door. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta. Back. Right now is rejecting that level where we have a resistance support becomes now right now resistance, but looking for shorts, it's a bit of aggressive things after having only push above and push and I will just take, maybe I will think maybe to enter along if we start to close above, holding this level, then maybe yes, and try to give it a push and see what I can do with it. But right now I think it's right now it's already good that I'm already up on the day. Took only one trade here, breaker test 25,000 and this area. What was the time? What was the time? Instagram? Oh no. Time Instagram tax. We up. Amazing. I like that custom view up, that you can put it from the New York session perfectly. I really like it. I really like it. That is the 1 hour view up, holding there. If you're definitely, maybe like this one will be like, in my hour view up is holding. That's crazy. You might use the view up as a moving average. Okay, we're pushing a little bit there. Are we gonna hold, or this is gonna be a fake out? Are we holding? How is the market in general right now today? My Nvidia back 7% up. Oh, okay. Do I have Microsoft here? Microsoft, no, nothing. Less than 1%. Big push there. Little push, but let's see if it's gonna be this. I like to see some closure above, like some showing, okay, buyers are there and handling the price. Maybe what's doing it? Oops. It will be a quick long. But then I'm risking $120 there. It's not a very good signal. As much as this one was much better. This one, it's a bit aggressive and looking for it. I'm not gonna take it. I think I'm gonna call it like that. You know what? I'm gonna call it like this: $200. Take it, take the win, and move to the next day. So I need to be good at taking wins and calling it out. So I'm gonna call it out like that, guys. Week is over. It was an interesting week, and I see some lights. I believe because I like that my emotions and energy on trading is coming back. Not strategy wise and everything, but me being watching a chart is getting comfortable again, like enjoyable again. Because for a few weeks in January, 2-3 weeks, watching a chart was not that enjoyable as before. So I'm getting back that enjoyment. Way easier to trade that time, just a bit slower, but more. Yeah, man, really not that push of emotion, stuff like that, trying to accelerate it. Like for example, this one on 9:30, if we thought that this was from 9:30 and stuff like that, this candle was gonna move faster and stuff like that, get stopped out quicker. No, you have time to think, you have time to realize that we're breaking the 25,000, you enter long, takes time. Even here, you were like, okay, I enter long, it takes time for it. And you can have time to evaluate if it's holding. Right now it's holding very well. But guys, thank you so much for everyone. See you next time. Have a beautiful day, guys. I'm gonna enjoy this weekend and next week as well. I don't know what time I'm gonna live stream for the rest. Love you all, guys. 80% is back there with Apex called Hamza. Love you guys.